In today's video, I'll show you how to customize or edit invoice templates in Zoho Invoice to give your invoices a professional, branded look. Start by logging into Zoho Invoice and clicking the gear icon for settings. From there, select PDF templates. This is your hub for all invoice designs. Go to the Invoices tab and browse the available templates. When you find one you like, hover over it and click Edit. Once the editor opens, the left-hand menu lets you control everything. Adjust template properties like paper size, orientation, and margins. Customize fonts, type, size, style to match your brand's voice. You can also change the background, adding colors or watermarks to make your invoices stand out while staying professional. After making your changes, click Save at the top right. Your customized template is now ready for use in future invoices, giving your documents a consistent and polished look. And that's it. Editing Zoho Invoice templates is simple, allowing you to create invoices that truly reflect your brand.